Hey guys, it's Colleen. I have a couple of things that I got from the November drop, and so I thought I'd share this. So let's take a look. I ordered several times. Just when I thought I was finished, I couldn't stop looking. I would keep looking and looking for things, trying to make sure I didn't miss something really good. So I picked this up, and I debated on this because I have this color. I have the dark currant. I think that's the name of that, black currant or whatever that is. That deep maroon color. And I have it in the city tote, and I have it in the Rowan. And this is similar, but I went ahead and got this. I kept putting it in my basket, taking it out. But I thought this was super cute. I thought, well, this looks a little more dressy than the Rowan and stuff. So I went ahead and picked this up. I picked up some shoes recently from Amazon that I'm just thinking about that will probably go with that. But this is so pretty. It's kind of like a patent leather. I don't usually like those, but I thought that this was so pretty. And I say I don't like patent leather, but this weekend I used the Olive Ashton purse, and it's like a patent leather, that crinkle leather looking, and I really love that purse. So I guess I can quit saying I don't like this. But this is so pretty. It's really tiny. It's not something I normally would gravitate to. It looks like it's got some suede in there. But I thought this was so pretty that I needed to try it out. Now, this would definitely be like something I would wear to just an event. I couldn't wear this. I don't even know if I would wear this a whole weekend. So that is the name of that one. And it was a good price. Oh, so we got a cloth because this is going to get all fingerprinted up. That's neat. So you get a cloth to wipe it down. So I'm going to put that back in here. That's neat. I like that. All right. And then we got a tiny little compartment up here. I don't know what you could put in there. Maybe an eyeliner. I don't even think I could put my phone in there. Some sanitizing wipes, that kind of stuff. I would probably try to put my phone in the back here. It would stick out. But let's see. And then I wonder if my phone would even fit in the big compartment. I think it would. But anyway, you have to be very, very, very selective as to what you put in here. Only some card cases. I don't think you could put, you might could squeeze a full wallet in there, but it would take up so much room. But wow, this is so pretty. I still like it. Let's see. Let's see what the strap look like. Give me just a moment. Okay guys, I'm back. I am so glad I decided to do that off camera because so they got some different kind of wrap on here. It's like a cloth type wrap rather than the foam wrap that they usually have on here. And it actually took me a minute to get that off. Like the foam wrap, once you start peeling on it, it'll just come right off. The other one. Now I'm not complaining because I know there are a lot of people that complain about how much Coach protects their merchandise. I would never complain. Because I appreciate having stuff that gets to me pristine, you know. But so this is the shoulder strap that goes to this. So it's nice and long. Well, I guess this would be a crossbody strap. I guess you could do either one. And then here is the actual shoulder strap. Really cute. I like it that you get a little bit of chain there. And the gold on this just really brings this out. I would most likely try to just use the small strap rather than the crossbody one, but I guess it depends on where I'm going. Like if I'm going outlet shopping or something, then I would probably want the big one. This is so pretty. So let's see. So we can take a big, and I did go get the shoes that I was talking about. So I bought these shoes from Amazon. I didn't buy that for this purse. Oh, you know what? It's not perfect. So this is a little more red than this, but I think I would still wear that with it. These are like a replica of the Coach sandals, but I think it's cute with it. I would most definitely, yeah, I would wear that. But and if someone is interested, we'll try to link it if it's still available. Now, looks like some quality issue right there. I'm not usually picky, but I don't like that. What's going on here? See how it kind of buckles right there? Let me see. Let me see. It's like it's too tight or something. Like if I bought this on eBay, I would be like, oh yeah, this is not authentic. All right, so this is the cutest little, I really like it. So I've already packed it up to put it on the shelf so when I'm ready to use. So too bad it didn't have a dust bag. All right, so that is the first thing I got. And then here is a bigger box. So let's see what's in here. All right. Okay, let's see what we have here. All right, we got, so this is the shoes. So this is the only thing that's in this box. So I debated on these shoes, but I really like. I really want to see if I can go ahead and got these. These are seasonal shoes. I thought they were super. They seemed super cute. All right, so that is what that is. All right, so let's take a peek. Let's take a look at it. Wow, that looks huge. I do wear a size 10. Oh, okay. I didn't know the sole was that big. Good grief. I'm guessing. I thought these were women. I'm pretty sure it is. Let me see. Goodness, this is huge. But I guess you need all that to protect this so it won't get so dirty. So, wow. So they look like they're gonna be super comfortable. I'm gonna try it. So yeah, this feels really nice. I'm excited to wear it. It's gonna look huge. It's gonna make my feet look huge. I'm already a size 10 wearer, but like I said, this sort of, I guess this will protect it from getting so dirty so fast. But look at this, isn't it cute? They put a lot of thought in this. I don't usually like, you know, the signature stuff on the shoes. It's like, you know, it seems like it's too much. But I think these are really pretty. And so I think these also came in black, but I'm not sure. But I like these a lot. These are really cute. So I was just wondering if you guys picked this up. And I'm going to recap on what I picked up. So we got that, and we got, I've been had these. I did a whole video on these. But just recapping what we talked about today. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.